How much did we spend? Household expense is a very common topic, regularly mentioned by family members. Let's watch the video to see how couples adjust their living expenses to fulfill a financial goal. Adjust spending to save money. Honey, have you considered what I talked to you about yesterday, about buying a house and getting a new car?
Yeah, I have thought about this. We've been renting a house for a long time. We also saved some money. I think it's time for us to think about buying a house and getting a new car.
So, what is the plan? I did some research. A house now costs around $200,000 to $250,000.
Yeah, I calculated. After setting aside an amount for a new car, we will still have a savings of about $50,000 left. If we get a mortgage for the rest in 15 years, the monthly mortgage payment will be about $1,400. What do you think?
It's okay, honey, but we will have to spend a lot more thoughtfully. I checked monthly expenses the other day and was shocked because of the money we spent to eat out at the restaurant.
Yeah, the amount I spend on coffee every day may add up a lot. I think I'll buy a thermos flask to take coffee from home.
My monthly expense for new clothes is also quite a lot. I need to limit myself to one new clothing item a month only.
Yes. What other areas do you think we can also cut back on?
Not yet for now. I think we should do some budgeting on monthly expenses.
I agree. We'll know the fixed amount each month and then adjust the expense for the rest.
Okay, let's calculate together now. Financial planning to prepare for having a baby. Honey, there have been bills for this month already, right? Does it cost a lot this month?
Still the same as last month.
Have you paid yet?
Yes, I did.
While mentioning living expenses, I want to discuss your budgeting for monthly expenses.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm listening.
We're planning to have a baby next year, so I think from now on we should manage our expenses more tightly so that we can save some money to raise our children.
Yeah, you're right. If we wait until next year to think about these savings, I'm afraid it's a bit late.
Yes, I think from now on we should cut down on some unnecessary expenses in the house.
What do you think we can reduce?
For example, I will limit the purchase of these unnecessary cosmetics and perfumes, or you limit buying those new game consoles.
I knew you would mention my gaming devices.
I'm just trying to cut entertainment costs. We won't go out to eat. Let's eat from home from now on.
Anything else?
We'll travel far away only once a year. Other than that, we should choose a closer place to reduce costs. Is that okay?
Everything you say makes sense. However, I think it's better to find a way to earn more money instead of having to budget on everything like that.
Of course, that's the best way, but it's easier said than done. How can we earn more now?
I will take on more projects and work part time at home in the evenings or on weekends. Is it okay for you?
Really? But you'll be tired from working all week.
No worry. I will try to make it right. It's just that the time spent with you will be a little less. What do you think?
Okay, I have no problem with that, but don't take on too many projects either. Remember, it's just for making a little extra money, okay?
Sure, don't worry.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.